Hey guys, just Bernie back again with another special video. So, as you can probably guess by the title, another unboxing video. This time sent in by Smoke Alarm. He unfortunately is not here / available. So, I will be doing this unboxing video solo today. So, it says it was shipped by Amazon Prime. So, a system sensor, mini horn white. Is this a fire alarm or something? There's almost nothing else in here. So here is the system sensor thing. I'm guessing this is a fire alarm, but yeah, it says right here. If the camera will focus. Do not paint fire alarm device. So I've never actually collected fire alarms before. I haven't really gotten into the hobby of fire alarms, unlike Ari. So we got a bunch of controls here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Temp 3 high and low. And then cont high and low. It's a wire trim. So, I'm not entirely sure what to do with this thing, because where I'm at right now, I'm not staying permanently. This is just a holdover until I get home, to my actual home. So, I love the addition of the nails. I just don't know where to put this for now. I'll probably keep this with some of my radios and then set it up whenever I get to my new location. So I know this unboxing video was rather short because I don't really know what to do, and this is not a radio at all. This is in fact a fire alarm. I'll mess with this later. So if my camera will focus, please. So that's about it for this unboxing video. Thank you all for watching the unboxing of the system sensor mini horn white. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.